Hey, what's up, guys? So I was just reading an article in GQ about Kit Harington and the 11 things that he loves to travel with, and I thought, hey, I'm traveling, so why don't I just do my own video about what I take when I'm traveling? So here are 11, maybe 12, maybe less things that I always go with when I travel, that I always take with me. So one, I bring myself, bring a nice pair of clothes. This bag is pretty nice. I actually stole this from my wife, so it might be for women, but it's a really nice bag. It's got this nice burgundy insert. The straps are pretty cool. It's crisp, and again, it's really small. I don't pack really heavily, so this is really all I need. It's a nice, stylish duffel bag. And then I have, everyone needs this, especially winter, fall, spring, any time of the season. Somehow it's always cold season, so I always bring along some hand sanitizer to keep my hands clean. The other thing, I've got all my toiletries, so gotta have the cocoa butter, so that's one thing. Sometimes the shave is necessary, so I got my Gillette Fusion Pro Glide, and my razors are somewhere up here as well. And then in terms of my hair, woo, stuff's falling all over the place. Well, this is Burberry. Burberry Touch. I love Burberry Touch. I've used this since high school. It's got a wonderful aroma to it. I can't tell you exactly what it smells like, but it is just wonderful. It's warm, it's inviting. Not that I'm trying to invite anybody, because I'm married, so stay away from me. But I just love it. It just it puts me in just a state of comfort, makes me feel comfortable, makes me feel confident, so I love it. Many people probably aren't gonna like this, but I also will use Axe sometimes, especially if I feel like I need to wear the same piece of clothing again. Some Axe alcohol, because I call it alcohol, it's not really a deodorant, body spray, will really help to maybe kill some of those germs. And then for my hair, I use this Cantu Shea Butter. This is the special men's collection version, and I like it because it's got caffeine, hemp seed oil, shea butter. I don't know really what all of that stuff does, but it seems to do wonders for my hair, which by the end of the day looks all dried out, but at the beginning of the day it looks great. So yeah, those are some of the things that I take toiletry wise. Now, Kit Harington, in his article, he talked about bringing a newspaper. I don't agree with bringing a newspaper. You can just wait until you get to the place where you're going to get your newspaper, which is what I did. So I'm at Penn State. I got the Collegian. It was free. It's interesting that he loves doing crossword puzzles because, yeah, I love doing crossword puzzles as well. I actually sent a snap of the crossword puzzle in this one to one of my friends today because it's pretty cool. It was about Harry Potter stuff. I don't know if you can really see that really clearly, but yeah, I love doing crossword puzzles, keeps your mind sharp, things like that. Moving on, of course, I always bring my phone, which means, having chargers and things like that as well. You can't go wrong with that. Most places now have little charge ports, so that's also helpful. Bringing a pair of sneakers because you never know wherever you're going if you might need to walk. This is especially true for ladies that might wear high heel shoes. Bring a pair of sneakers as well. And then, depending on where you're going, you might always need an umbrella. Look, I travel between Detroit and State College pretty often. Both of those places rain a lot, so I definitely need that. Gotta have my Bluetooth headphones. These are Senso. Got them off Amazon, really cheap. I don't need all the Bose, technology and things like that to, as long as I can hear the music, it's good. And I love listening to music, and I love zoning out a lot when I travel, so I don't have to listen to other people's conversations and have them engage me in conversations, so that's good. Another thing that I bring, and here are my Snapchat spectacles. I haven't used them a whole lot lately, but usually if it's on a more adventurous journey where, I might not be able to use my hands to take videos, specs are also really good to have. And then other than that, just having notebooks. So I feel like having, a bunch of different notebooks is good, especially depending on, what you're taking notes in. It might be some different stuff. And then, of course, just clothes. So let me know what you guys usually take with you when you're traveling. The most important thing for me, of course, as always, is my passport. And then my wallet. And again, Kit Harington said he has a wallet that doesn't fit in his pocket. That literally makes no sense to me. Carry a wallet. I don't really carry too much cash. The cash that I do have is actually money from Singapore and money from Mexico. That's literally the only cash that I carry on me. Everything else I can do via my credit card. So let me know, what do you guys take with you when you travel, or just on a day-to-day basis? I would love to hear what you do take, and we can compare. And I will see you tomorrow. Peace out.